Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 5th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Johnson Controls, a global leader in smart, healthy, and sustainable buildings. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Johnson Controls has just released their Q4 and full year 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from sales growth to strategic initiatives. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Johnson Controls reported Q4 sales of $6.4 billion, marking a 3% increase, with organic sales up by 4%. For the full year, sales reached $23.6 billion. John, how does this align with market expectations?
Johnson Controls has indeed met and slightly exceeded expectations, especially with their adjusted EPS of $1.26, surpassing the forecast of $1.20 from 6 analysts. This reflects strong operational performance and effective cost management, contributing to their profitability.
What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth was driven by increased demand in their core verticals, particularly in advanced data center cooling and decarbonization solutions. Their strategic focus on technology leadership and sustainability is clearly paying off.
Segment performance analysis. Let's break down the segment performance. The Americas saw a modest sales increase, while EMEA experienced a robust 13% growth. However, APAC sales declined by 3%. Can you elaborate on these regional performances?
In the Americas, sales were up by 1%, driven by strength in applied HVAC and controls. EMEA's impressive growth was due to strong demand in systems and services, while APAC faced challenges, particularly in China, leading to a 3% decline. Despite this, the overall backlog increased by $13 to $14.9 billion, indicating strong future demand.
What does this mean for Johnson Controls moving forward?
The backlog growth is a positive indicator of sustained demand, particularly in their systems and services businesses. It suggests that Johnson Controls is well-positioned to capitalize on future opportunities, especially in regions showing strong growth.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Johnson Controls has reported double-digit EPS growth and a record backlog of $15 billion. Looking ahead, they've provided guidance for fiscal 2026. What are the key takeaways from their strategic initiatives and future outlook?
CEO Joakim Weidemanis highlighted their technology leadership in data center cooling and decarbonization solutions as key differentiators. For fiscal 2026, they're projecting an adjusted EPS of $4.55 and mid-single-digit organic sales growth. Their focus on deploying a proprietary business system is expected to enhance operational efficiency and value creation.
How does this position them in the market?
Johnson Controls is positioning itself as a leader in smart building solutions, leveraging technology to drive sustainability and efficiency. Their strategic initiatives are aimed at maintaining this leadership and delivering consistent, predictable results.
Financial health and shareholder returns. Let's discuss Johnson Controls' financial health and shareholder returns. They reported a free cash flow of $838 million and paid $243 million in dividends. Additionally, they repurchased $5 billion in shares. What does this indicate about their financial strategy?
These figures reflect a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders. The significant share repurchase and dividend payments demonstrate confidence in their financial position. Moreover, the sale of their residential and light commercial HVAC business for $6.9 billion has bolstered their cash reserves, providing flexibility for future investments.
How does this impact their long-term strategy?
The divestiture allows Johnson Controls to focus on core areas with higher growth potential, aligning with their strategy to streamline operations and enhance shareholder value.
Key takeaways. In summary, Johnson Controls has delivered a strong performance with double-digit EPS growth and a record backlog. Their strategic focus on technology and sustainability is evident in their fiscal 2026 guidance of 4.55 cents EPS. The $5 billion share repurchase further underscores their commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
Johnson Controls is well positioned for future growth, with a clear strategy and strong financials. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of strategic initiatives and market conditions in key regions.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Johnson Controls' performance in the comments below.